We'll switch gears now and focus on football. The Chinese men's national team made it to the final round of qualifying for the 2018 World Cup, and that road to Russia included a draw to see who they will play to qualify out of the Asian group. The draw was held earlier today in Kuala Lumpur, and China was placed in Group A along with Iran, South Korea, Uzbekistan, Qatar, and Syria. The other pool sees Australia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Iraq, and Thailand. The numbers beside each nation is their FIFA ranking. The countries will play each team in their group twice, home and away, and the top teams will advance to the World Cup in 2 years' time.